Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare a very unique salad that we generally prepare during the holy month of Ramadan. So to prepare the salad, ingredients that we require are, here I have taken chana dal. This I have soaked overnight, so you can see it's almost cooked. Soft it becomes. So I have soaked this overnight. If you can't soak this overnight, then you can also boil it in and give 2 whistles, so it will become soft like this. So this is 1 cup of chana dal. Here I have taken little bit of onion and I have cut them into small pieces like this. Half tomato, half lemon, little bit of fresh coriander leaves chopped, 1 cucumber chopped, salt as per our taste. This is ginger, chop them finely. Green chillies, this depends, if you want it spicy you can add more. I have chopped 2 green chillies here. Now we are going to mix everything together in a bowl. Nicely wash the dal. Then I will add the cucumber, tomato, onion, ginger, green chilies. At the end, the coriander leaves, salt, and we'll squeeze this lemon. We'll mix this. Mix it properly. And the tasty and healthy salad is ready. I hope you liked my super easy salad recipe, friends. You can also add radish to this salad if you like to have radish. Cut them, chop them into small pieces and add them. Very healthy salad, friends, and very yummy too. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. See you soon, friends. Bye.